enter command. This is a very useful area for the dealers, and this is an area where you will practice and test your commands. Now, what we have is a little drop-down arrow, and this drop-down arrow brings up examples of commands. In FrontRow, like any other control company, we have a protocol or a way of formatting our commands that is unique to us. And it's always hard to remember all these different commands, so what we did is we give you a starting point. For instance, if you're going to send a serial command, and by the way, serial, RS-232, COM, they're all the same. We just kind of intermix all the words just to confuse everybody. But this is an example of our syntax or our protocol for sending a message to COM port number 1. If you look inside the quotation marks here, that is actually the command that gets sent to the device. Everything on either side of that command is just formatting and steering. But inside the quotation mark is actually the command that gets sent. And again, we will come back to this area, but I'm just giving you just kind of a first pass introduction. If I was connected to COM1 right now, and I hit send command down here, this command would be sent out to COM port number 1. If you're connected to a projector, the projector would probably ignore it because it says output text. But if it said something like this, power on, that command would be sent to the projector. Now, one thing to note, and we'll go over this several times because this is one of those troubleshooting tips of I can't get it to work, and this might be a reason why. Most serial devices want what's called a carriage return, and that is a message that says, I'm done. I've sent you all the commands I'm going to send you. This is the end. We use the backslash and then lowercase r for carriage return. So if you have a situation where you think everything is working just right and you can't understand why it's not working, make sure that you have the carriage return in there if the projector needs a carriage return.